Is this Samsung monitor a good upgrade? There's a free keyboard and mouse. Let's look at the labels on the box. A 25 watts power adapter, a HDMI cable, some paperwork. The screws are here too, and the stand. Assembling it just requires 2 screws on the monitor and 1 big screw at the bottom. Let's check the bezel. At the back, it has a joystick for the menu, a HDMI, VGA, and a DC jack port. The reason for the upgrade is this old 19-inch monitor. It only has 720p for resolution. Stay tuned for some behind the scenes of this upgrade. This is a 24-inch monitor with bezel-less design. It is a full HD monitor with 16:9 ratio. It has a 75Hz refresh rate and has an IPS panel with a 5 millisecond response time. Now let's check for dead pixels and do some test bleeding. Here's a quick view on the menu. And if you have AMD graphics, you also can take advantage of the feature Freesync, which prevents screen tearing while gaming. Overall, it's amazing for its price. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. If you found this helpful, share it to a friend. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel.
Ayan, nakikita nyo, oh. Nagre-reklamo, pixelized daw. Pero code yung ka-graphic artist na ata to. Nagre-reklamo.